Hello guys, welcome to our page. I am back with another new video. It's for need some normal and useless hairbands. These are generally used by everyone. Then using a comb. I will attach the hairbands like this in the comb tip. I attach 4 bands on it. Then with a needle and a thread I tie it along middle part. Now I will separate the bands. And take in a art paper. I put the bubbles in the paper and also I put the another bubbles round of the middle part. It looks like a flower. Now I cut the side part from the paper. I attach the flower middle on the hairbands. At the same way, I made some flowers. You can use any color bands or bubbles you need. It looks like a nice colorful flower. Then I use a scabies. I cut some parts from the scabies. These are some bubbles. I hang the bubbles in the thread in the same way I made for hanging. I am using a filter. These are available in everyone's home. I am cutting the net part from the filter. I use only the circle parts. You know guys, these are some normal thick ribbon. I cut some parts from the ribbon. After that, I attached the ribbon on the circle part. I twisted it like this. In the same way, I made 3 circles. I attached 3 circles to one another. I arranged the flower on the circle part like this. In the blank part, I use some normal bubbles. If you need, you can use any type of bubbles you want. It's ready. Then I attach the small hangings in the bottom of the circle. At last, I attach the thin ribbon in the middle part on it. And it's ready for hanging. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you love it. Please hit the like button and obviously don't forget to share your friends. Bye-bye.